Oh, you know how on the Apple Watch or other watches and stuff, there's some kind of trackering for exercise purposes. I'll be honest, when I first got the hint at an exercise ring, I was like, that looks lame. But since I got an Apple Watch, I feel like, it actually helps me want to close the rings and whatnot on the Apple Watch. Well, there's a similar thing in VR on the MetaQuest 3, okay? MetaQuest 2 also presumably, but anyway, let's go to it, okay? You want to go to your library, go to applications, and I believe you won't be able to uninstall it. That should be here by default. If you could uninstall it, there would be an option. But if you don't see it here in the application, just go to search, and you should be able to search for it somewhere. Well, we are going to click on it. As you can see, go to settings, and what we will want to do is, change the settings and stuff right here. So, track movement. So that's what we want to do. Track movement there. We can add personal goals and stuff, fill in our age, weight, height, sex, and goals. So we can do all that. And then once we get done here, we can then proceed to exit out this, okay? And then if we go over here to quick settings, you will see that there's an extra option here, okay, called move. If we turn it on, if we look up, it will show the move everything. Yeah, see, the rings, the calories. Now, I will tell you right now that these calories may differ from calories such as the Apple Watch and whatnot, because these only track while you're in VR, and technically it only tracks when it feels the headset move and whatnot, so it's not always tracking. But yeah, I believe you can turn this on for in-games as well, but I do not have it turned on for in-games. Sometimes I don't like it on, so sometimes I'll just go to the quick settings again, and then click on move, and then it turns it off. So, only turn it on when I want it on. It still keeps track whether it's on or off. Just, I have the luxury of it not tracking all the time, which I find very useful if I'm being perfectly honest. But yeah, that's how you get like move rings and whatnot in the Meta Quest. And hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.